So I stopped here at the car wash and yuck. Gotta wash my poor car. This is what almost 2 weeks of rain looks like. Yuck. So the car wash was just a pre-wash. What I got here is some simple green soaking, because you might be able to see I got a whole lot of this black stuff all over the bottom of the car. It's pretty bad when you have to pre-wash your car with a power washer to get it clean, but I use this on my wheels too. I got it soaking, trying to break that down, and now we'll get it washed. Good Friday morning in the beautiful Chevy SS. A little bit late for work. It's supposed to be there at 6. It's 6:07 right now. Time has changed up a minute. Got the car loaded up. Me and the fiancé heading down to Tampa this weekend, getting the SS tint job at my friend Brian's shop. Gonna try to have a good time, meet some friends and sister and that down there. Let them all meet my new love interest. Well, I gotta get to work. Look at that sexy ass car. Alright, I'm on my way to my friend's house, and then after that, getting this beast tinted. Ooh, that's what 1,000 miles of driving on Brembos get you. But hey, when you need them, they're there, because stops this 4,000 pound car phenomenally. I mean, man, you need them, they're there. But anyhow, what do y'all think of the tint? What do you think of this beautiful car? I know the whole car is dirty and she needs a bath, but man, my boy Brian at Tint World hooked it up. So if you are in St. Pete or Palm Harbor area, Florida, check them out. They do a great job on the tint. It's all computer cut, so it fits in there perfect. They also do detailing and car stereos. They do some high-end cars like Porsche, Ferraris, and that. So definitely a place like a car guy like myself can feel comfortable leaving a car. I won't let just anybody touch my car, so I drove all the way down there to get this hooked up. So thanks, Brian. Awesome friggin' job. Tell him that I sent you. So that's some brake dust. Alright everyone, I knew I made that video about not doing any more YouTube. I've kind of calmed down about that. Still really pissed, because YouTube is just screwing us little people over, because like I had mentioned before, PewDiePie had made some comment. He hired some people to put up a sign, and I'm not going to repeat it because it was absolutely stupid, but it was about a certain religious group calling for death and stuff. And he's like, oh, I thought that was funny, but it's okay for him to make an apology and go on. And then with the whole adpocalypse thing, now YouTube has some kind of software which wrongfully demonetizes videos, which you saw, like, if you follow, like, Casey Neistat's a huge vlogger. He did an interview with a king or whatever of some Egyptian type country, and it got demonetized, and he brought it up in a video. And then you had another larger YouTuber, Jake Paul something, I don't know, film like a dead body. So now YouTube's so scared about their ad revenue, they're screwing over the little guys because they don't trust us. And I mean, you know, the bigger YouTubers that get millions of views are the ones that are doing the damage. Not all of them, just so far there's been 2 that I know of. So for me, unless I have 1,000 subs, I'm not even worth entertaining. I have the required hours viewed. They want like 4,000 hours or something to be viewed. I have over that. But I don't have the 1,000 subs. And I mean, I've only been doing this like about right at a year, and I'm over 400, and totally grateful for everyone that hit that subscribe button. So all I can say is please hit that subscribe button. Don't let YouTube screw us little guys over. You know, even if you don't come back and watch some of the videos or watch them all the time, please hit that sub button. You know, help us out. But anyways, took a lot more video than what I could put in this vlog. I had a few instances even today of this little camera, my GoPro Session, going crazy where I'm hitting the power button on the top. When you hit it, it should turn it off. I was hitting it and it wasn't responding. So I did a friggin' video, the entire video of my car getting tinted. It's not on there. There's some other videos I had at some places and that, gone. They're not on there. So I don't know if it's like a memory card issue or if it's a camera issue. So I'm trying another memory card in here. I'll stick with this memory card for a while, and I'll see. If not, I might have to just dump this camera. I mean, it's been a great camera. Out of all the GoPros, it's got the best audio. Some of my earlier videos sound like crap because using the Hero 3, I tried different external mics, Bluetooth mics, stuff like that. This one here seems to be the best, even better than my Hero 5. So, anyhow, I'll piece together what I can. I'm really disappointed. I just put the memory card into the laptop and there is a lot missing. There's even some stuff I really didn't get to. I kind of wanted to put the GoPro in the back of the car and go through the parking garage at Tampa International, get some good exhaust tones in that closed environment. I wanted to do a time lapse because there are parking garages like this and the runways are on either side, so you can stand here and you can get a good shot of the planes coming in. And I wanted to do like maybe a time lapse of that coming in, especially at night. I thought it'd look cool streaking the lights. But good time visiting with friends, so none of that happened. And you know, it was just kind of like a turn and burn type deal. We just went down there to say hi to everybody. We just got a lot going on with trying to pack. You can probably see this is an absolute disaster. My room up here, it's getting emptied out. I got an even bigger mess downstairs. Boxes and stuff just packed up, getting this place trimmed. I don't even know how much more I had this computer desk set up here, because I'm probably just have to pack up this main computer. I can do everything on my laptop for now until I get it moved. So, and if I need bigger stuff, printers and stuff like that, I can always go to my fiance's house and do that. So yeah, I kind of want to do some more. We were actually out at one of the beaches and it looked beautiful, and I want to take the drone up. Two things: there's just a lot of sand. I really didn't see a good takeoff point. And then I met my sister earlier for breakfast and drank a lot of coffee. And it kind of hit me as soon as we pulled onto this causeway. And I really just kind of wanted to go at that point. We were already late. We were in the deficit getting there. By the time we left work Friday, we got down there 1 in the morning. Had to get up kind of early to go visit a friend before my tint appointment. Visit with another friend, stayed late. We overslept from meeting my sister for breakfast. It was almost lunch, actually, by the time we got there. And that's about the time I wanted to hit the road, so sorry I don't have any good footage. That actually probably use my other cameras for some of the other stuff, but and I'm really disappointed. This little camera here let me down. I actually filmed this segment outside earlier while I was washing the SS, so that way I had the SS as the background piece. And it didn't record. I mean, I was looking for an SLR, but right now I really don't, especially with YouTube, Google AdSense cutting payments. I'm drop at least $1,000 or more on a good SLR, and I'm not going to do it right now. Not making any money on this channel, not until I hit 1,000 subs. I got plenty of money I need to put into this house. I've been in it 8-9 years, so I'm going to have to paint, lay some new carpets. I think especially with animals in here, I'm going to have to do some of that, and then I'm going to have to worry about purchasing another house. And I'm going to have to rent moving trucks, things like that. So I've got a lot of expenses coming out right now, so buying another camera really ain't in the mix for me. Because even with the SLR, then you pretty much have to get a mic or something, because the onboard mics of these cameras really don't do that great, which is why I really love this little Hero Session. I'll replace if I have to. They're only about $1.50, but anyways, I gotta go. I really gotta put this video together, get it uploaded. I gotta start packing while it's doing it. I really gotta get my backside of gear. I got a wedding to plan. I will put together a video of my 2017 still, and you know, I'm just gonna have to step up my game and try to get the subs up here quicker, but it's gonna be hard right now with the move and everything. So please for now, I need some subscribers. Likes, shares, comments, definitely, you know, share some of the other videos. I know the vlogs maybe not, but you know, see some of my cars, share it. That builds interest. It gets you know, when you search for something like Camaro, the ones with the big hits will pop up, or SS, things like that. So please do that. You know, like, share, comment, please sub, and try to put together something better for the next video. And I'm hoping this freaking camera don't let me down. I'm gonna maybe use the memory card like I said, so try this one. But anyways, thanks everybody for the support. I really got motivated to do this because over the weekend I went up like 5-10 subscribers, even after saying I was gonna stop. I mean, they're coming, and I know I have to be patient. It just really sucks that YouTube screwed us. So anyways, thanks again. We'll catch you next video. See you.